Welcome back to Wolfman Speeds. Count me in, don't count me out. As you see, we got some new wheels and tires. The fronts are 305, 30, 20. And the back are 315, 30, 20 on Michelin Sport Pilot. We're gonna try these out and see. The GT500 wheels. They've been doing pretty good so far. It just seems that I gotta do a burnout potentially and warm them up. But other than that, they've been doing pretty good. Ride the same as the 19s that I had on there. I'll show you the back tire and exhaust as well. But I'm gonna do a quick couple revs for y'all real quick. Do maybe a drive-by for y'all real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna do a drive-by for y'all. Hold on. Do a quick drive-by.
Oh, that's nice.
Alright, hopefully it recorded everything. I just did. I'm just in this big old parking lot. So, and I just got off work, so I'm just trying to give y'all some content real quick. Just trying to give y'all a little content real quick before I go home. Look at that sunset. But yeah, that'll be the new wheels. We'll do some 0 to 60. I told y'all I was gonna get some 0 to 60 times for y'all. We're gonna get some 0 to 60, 0 to 100. We're gonna get some races in if people stop being scared. But lights just came on. But yeah, Wolfman Speeds, count me in, don't count me out. We out here as usual. Spoiler, oh yeah. Spoiler and splitter coming soon. We're gonna get them soon. But I'm out of here though. I was about to do a couple of revs. I had to redo it real quick. This bitch stay the fuck up. Alright, I don't think I'm going now. Hopefully that sounds pretty good. I'm gonna add these clips in there. But I'm about to go and I've been here too long. She is healthy.